are kicking off our little Magic Kingdom day here at Wilderness Lodge in Whispering Canyon Cafe. This is a restaurant that we have really enjoyed, like, ever since the first time I came here with Taylor's family, and Taylor's family has been coming here longer than I have. So I actually had to run back out of the car and come back, and our server, she was sitting here, she told me I was late. So I got an iced tea, but I got it on a really big glass. Usually this is what you'd get if you asked for a large.
But he got it just because he was in trouble.
Yeah. So it's fun, and it's usually, I think, pretty decent food. I guess they did change the menu up a little bit, so there's like some brunch-ish kind of stuff here now, or maybe because it's Sunday, because it is Sunday, but I don't think so. I think I saw that on the menu,
yeah.
So. But yeah, so we're gonna kick it off here with some food, and then we're gonna head over to Magic Kingdom and do some fun stuff and ride Tron and do some other things. So our food has officially arrived. We've got the skillet. These are all you care to enjoy. Definitely not anywhere near worth the money, but it's just kind of fun to relax and enjoy it. So we've got sausage and bacon. There's potatoes in there, biscuits, eggs, and Taylor's favorite Mickey waffles, and some sausage gravy over there. So
yeah,
she's waiting for ketchup. That's funny.
Yeah, it's $1.
That is Taylor's fancy ketchup right there. That's funny.
Hilarious.
So Taylor went from her fancy ketchup over here to
the ketchup in the restaurant?
The classic, all the ketchup that is in the restaurant.
Which is really funny because I remember when we used to bring like family and friends here, I would tell them to ask for ketchup because they didn't know what was happening. Yeah, totally forgot that they do that. And I just asked for ketchup because I thought they'd bring me like a little container of it like they did with the butter. Nope, they brought it all.
She literally brought out a pack of unopened. I just want to show you that we have basically finished our platter here. Now, if we wanted to get more stuff, we can get more stuff. But I also want to show you that all of the ketchup is still on the table and hasn't gone anywhere.
It stays on your table until somebody else asks for ketchup. And then you have to take the ketchup from your table over to the table that wants it. So I was hoping that somebody was going to ask for it while we were still here.
All right, so we have finished eating, so I thought I'd show you guys why this is usually not really worth it, but we really enjoy it. So for the platter, it's $26 per person and not for the table. I thought they used to include drinks, but they must not anymore. So those are also extras. So $60 for breakfast this morning is a little much, but nonetheless, when you're on vacation, which we aren't, but you might be, it might not matter. So yeah. So anytime that you start your day at one of the resorts here around Magic Kingdom, one of the best ways that you can get to Magic Kingdom is obviously by their own transportation. So you don't need to take a vehicle or a car. And from Wilderness Lodge, we're going to take the boat over, which will drop us off right in front of the park. And usually it's a nice, easy ride. And as we make our way over here, they're going to hold the boat for us so that we can jump on and make this one over to Magic Kingdom. And the 100 is still going on. Actually, I think it just started. Well, now that we're in Magic Kingdom officially, I think we're going to try and do a lot of the things that we just really find enjoyable. Some of our favorite stuff that we like to do when we come to Magic Kingdom today. And I asked Taylor, like, what would be your favorite things or some of your favorite things that you would want to do if we only had one day at Magic Kingdom? She literally said the first thing was go get Starbucks.
Oh my gosh, that's not the first thing I said.
I
said the people mover first.
That's where we're going. We're going to go get Starbucks, I guess. We got to wait in the long Starbucks line here at Magic Kingdom.
Good morning, everyone. In just a few minutes, all of the lands of the Magic Kingdom will be opening. It's time to make your way to Cinderella Castle for a very special presentation. Thank you.
All right, so we've got our Starbucks.
Another day, another Starbucks.
Yeah. So I guess our first attraction that we're going to go to is going to be Thunder Mountain.
Yes.
That way. So one thing that we've been hearing a lot coming from Disney is that the crowd levels have been actually really low. Attendance has been down. And this is a weekend, and normally we would never come over to the parks on the weekends because locals like ourselves tend to, you know, frequent the parks and it gets really busy. So hopefully today it's not going to be that way at all. Hopefully most of the lines will be really short and we won't really have to wait very long. So I think Thunder Mountain is a really good kind of testament to that. We're going to see how long the line is and see how long the wait is here with the park being officially open now. And then we're going to make our way, you know, I don't know, hopefully in a circle or over to Fantasyland. I don't know.
We'll figure it out.
Tomorrowland, one of those. It is kind of crazy to see this being totally shuttered as they begin to convert it to Tiana's.
Yeah, they have the, you can't see it from here, but they put the water tower up.
All right, we're coming up to Big Thunder. It says 15 minutes, but it looks like it could be much longer than that.
No, it's rubbish ride.
My eggs keep hatching like stupid Pokemon. Oh, I gotta chug this sucker. I thought we were gonna weave a little bit more. Is there a garbage can at the end?
There was a garbage can right back there.
No, I meant down there.
Hopefully.
How many here?
So that was an awesome way to start the day.
Yes, it was. It
great.
makes me laugh every time. Like, I know exactly what the ride's gonna be, but I just laugh every time we ride that because it's so much fun.
I felt bad for that one kid. They made him ride it again. He said, this ride is complete rubbish.
No, it's rubbish ride.
He
did not want to go again, and they made him.
So a really great tip that I think we've mentioned this plenty of times, but maybe if this is your first time watching, don't know anything about it. It's always usually best to make your way to the back of the park like we did today at the start, especially if you're not using Disney Genie Plus, because usually the rides towards the back of the park will have shorter wait times, whereas things like Seven Dwarfs Mine Train and Space Mountain, which are closer to the front, are gonna have a longer wait. So if you come back here, you can get more done and still wait less later on for something like Splash, that's close. For something like Space Mountain,
yeah.
we're turning.
Oh, we are? What I was going to say though, if you don't mind missing the fireworks or you come to Magic Kingdom multiple days, try to ride Mine Train and Space Mountain and even Thunder Mountain during the fireworks.
Oh yeah.
Because there's less waits because so many people are out trying to watch fireworks.
For sure. So we are now going to make our way towards Tomorrowland because our callback for Tron is about to go off. So on the way there though, one of my favorite things that I love about Magic Kingdom, I love coming here to do, and we don't do it often enough, is actually going into this one shop that is really unique. Taylor's running up here because she wants to get a photo or some video with Liver Lips McGraw up here, and Big Al's over here.
They're running away.
Gotta run faster. Just yell his name.
Oh, I don't know if that's who it is.
I dare you. Hurry. Big Al. Taylor's trying to grab a photo with Big Al.
Maybe.
Just, you have to say hello.
Oh, you will.
Big Al.
Good
Hey.
morning. Good morning. Hi.
Thank you.
Not very lively today.
I thought Taylor might try to throw in some more liveliness in there. I think Big Al must be really hot inside of his costume.
I think he is.
So this
Who's
is
back here?
one of my favorite. Taylor's going to finally meet Merida. You've met Merida before.
What? No, I was just joking because that one time. Good morning.
Morning. Well, actually, you know what is a funny story is that she wanted to come meet you, and instead I made her walk over in front of the castle, and then I asked her to...
Today?
Yeah.
Like
No,
right now?
this was years ago.
This is a
but-
couple years ago.
You got a lot done. It's only 9.
Yeah, you know it's not busy when Sleepy Hollow's line is only that long.
Yeah, how about it?
First thing in the morning.
So after our little
Yeah,
Merida detour...
we gotta go in the main entrance through the little doorway over here.
Oh, okay. So after a little Merida detour, we're going to go into one of our favorite shops here. It's super unique, which is the Ye Old Christmas Shop.
Will you sweaty boy?
Yeah.
Oh. Wow, we haven't been in here in a while. I like these ones that it's like they're in their box.
Oh yeah.
Remember when they tried putting Barbie back in her box?
Yeah, I love this store. I love how, I mean, it's Christmas all year long. You can find
Look at Yoda.
any type of ornament that you could really want, for the most part.
I like the rose. This is living magic. Oh, it turns on.
Yeah. I light up. Oh, they got the munchlings. Look at those. They're
Oh my
pretty cute
god,
looking.
they're really cute. Oh, look at this fish.
Oh, those are really cool. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. No, but look at that.
That's cool too.
Space Mountain is huge.
Yeah, it's really big. These are like, you have to have like a pretty big tree with some big branches.
Report for digitation.
All right, yeah, so we just got our call back. Your group has been called, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, way earlier, 2 hours
yes.
earlier than it said.
We can get directions if we're lost. Start walking, look at that, and it'll actually give you we're actually not in the circle yet, but.
I will say that is actually quite handy for people that don't know their way around the parks.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So you don't have to carry like the paper map around. One of our friends on wasn't his first visit, but he hadn't been here since he was a kid. He used the map on My Disney Experience and said it was like the perfect way to get around the parks.
Yeah, so it is a little crazy that even at like 9:30, there's still not a lot of people up here. And I think that just goes to show that it isn't really busy. All right, so we are in the virtual queue and they've got some little bikes out here so you can test it out to see if you're gonna fit comfortably on the actual attraction. You can also pay for Lightning Lane, which is up here. The return time is currently whatever the time is, so it's 9:42.
Go look for her in there.
And it's actually moving pretty quick, which is really, really nice.
Yeah, I'm glad we got it so early or we would have been standing out here in the sun.
Yeah.
Attention users, you are about to be digitized into the world of Tron. For your safety in this world, all users should be in good health. You should be free from
Oh, we're skipping it.
Whoa,
Going right
we're not
through.
even stopping?
Oh.
users. Prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Hey, I'm gonna wait for a second. Buzz and then the People Mover?
Sure. All right, it's the famous.
We're not riding together.
It's the famous Buzz Lightyear shoot-off. Now Taylor and I.
You're going down!
Taylor and I never ever ride this attraction together.
Ever.
We always ride separately. So we're gonna see who gets the highest score. Taylor's trying to act like she won. She didn't. You're a loser. Look at this right there. 999 and a 200. There's Taylor's photo.
Where?
She's hiding. And then mine is right next to hers.
I wasn't hiding, I was crying. Because I lost.
Buzz is just such a fantastic attraction. I love it.
I love Buzz too.
Especially whenever I can
Even
beat
when
Taylor.
Josh cheats.
There's no way to even cheat on that ride. So we're now gonna go and ride People Mover, another really great one that we always love. It's relaxing, it's calming, you know, gets you out of the heat, especially when there's like a lot of crowds, which today there's really not, so should be pretty quick. All right, well it is now about 11 o'clock. We are gonna start making our way out of the park because for one, being local, it just is, you know, why stay and endure the heat and the insanity of what the weekends tend to bring here at the parks. And so we actually had to do quite a few things, I think, this morning without having to have Disney Genie Plus, which was really great. And all in all, you know, I mean, it's just nice. Sometimes you come in and you hang out and ride a few things and then head on home.